Hi there, everybody. Welcome to this episode of the Wreck-It Recruiter. Katie McConnell Olson here, and today we're talking about how to write a horrible job description. Brought to you by the Strategic Advisor Board and GrowthWise Search Partners, providing human capital and search and hiring solutions for rapid growth businesses all over the United States. So let's talk about your how-to guide for how to write a horrific job description. First of all, you want to make it all about you. Who cares what candidates think? It's not about them. It's about what you and it's about what you need, right? So first couple paragraphs of the job description should be just all about you. What does the company do? What's your background? Why are you the greatest thing since sliced bread with jam? Okay. Then after that, let's go into kind of what the job duties are. I think fluffy statements that aren't really concrete, that don't give a great idea about what the job is every day, that's where you're really going to nail it. Okay, so things like proactive team player. You will be communicating across departments. Don't tell them what departments though. Let's keep them guessing. That'll give some intrigue, right? Now, after we've kind of written the job description, the job duties, remember we're trying to be as vague as possible. Bulk, lots of words that don't really mean a whole lot just to kind of keep them guessing. We don't really want to tell people what the job looks like, right? Then our competitors will see it and they'll know what we're doing. So we don't want that. We just want to kind of keep it fluffy. Then we're going to talk about what we're looking for in a candidate. Now, I like to be as specific as possible with experience. I'm talking like 3 to 5 years of experience, right? Let's narrow that market down. We don't want people with 2 years of experience to be interested, and we certainly don't want people that have more than 5 years of experience. So let's make sure that it's just 3 to 5. Better yet, just 4 years of experience. Let's really narrow that down. Really also, buzzword. I want proactive communicator. I'm talking cross-department leader. I'm talking effective writing skills. That's a good one. I'm thinking proactive, effective, go-getter. Ooh, entrepreneurial thinker. Yes, let's not forget entrepreneurial thinker. Everybody wants an entrepreneurial thinker, right? We'll definitely capture the entrepreneurial thinkers with that. Lastly, no information about salary. Again, candidates don't need to know that, and we don't want our competitors to know what we're paying, right? Like, we'll worry about that later. So let's not include any of that. Benefits, in-office versus hybrid. Oh, no. Doesn't matter. That's not for them, right? This is all about us. It's not all about them. And lastly, let's make sure that we create a whole process to jump candidates through hoops. I'm talking send your application, send your resume. We're going to send you a 4-part assessment test. Also, we want it in this order. If you don't follow those directions implicitly, you're out of the running. So hopefully that helps you understand how to write a horrible job posting. If some of this resonates with you with things that you're currently doing or maybe not doing, let's chat. Let's take a deeper dive into how we can optimize your hiring or take it off your plate entirely. Click the link in the description and we'll be glad to help you out with some of these things. So in fairness, we can actually write you a job description that will get you some good candidate workflow. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe as well. That's it for today.